What do you want?
Sambusa.
You want sambusa?
Sambusa. 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 Sambusa.
What's that? You want the cheese? Give me the cheese. You want sambusa?
Yes.
Ay, agkanda ng... Why you eating this? This is they really love sambusa, guys. You know.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
You want sambusa now, Bayan?
I got the flower.
Sambusa cheese?
Yay. Flower.
Ayun, kalini nila ng sambusa. Okay, we'll cook na sambusa, guys. They just want sambusa.
Chef.
This one? You want to cook sambusa?
Yes, and it's sticking hardy.
Okay, we'll cook na sambusa na anak ko. Don't worry. We'll cook sambusa. Okay, let's start. Let's go! Allah!